Hey Xiaomi users, welcome back to Mobile Funda with a brand new video. If you have recently bought the Redmi Turbo 5, then this video is definitely for you. After setting up your phone, there are a few settings that you should change first, and these small changes can make your phone feel much better to use. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let's remove the bloatware. The Redmi Turbo 5 comes with a lot of pre-installed apps, and honestly most of them are never used. Simply uninstall the apps that you don't need. This will free up some storage and also keep your phone clean. Next, let's check for a software update. Open System Update and see if a new update is available or not. By the way, the Redmi Turbo 5 has already received the C update with the June security patch. And don't worry, its detailed review is coming very soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Now let's update the system apps. Open System App Updater and tap on Update All. This will update all the Xiaomi apps, which helps your phone run smoother and gives you the latest fixes. If you use the app drawer, open the app drawer setting first. Now set the background to dark. Then keep the opacity around 75 to 80%. This gives the app drawer the same clean blur effect as your home screen, and honestly it looks much better. But if you use classic mode, then here's something for you. Open the home screen transition settings and choose your favorite animation. It's a small change, but it makes the home screen swiping feel much smoother than the default one. Now let's move to the display settings. If you like a cleaner look, switch to dark mode. Since the Redmi Turbo 5 comes with an AMOLED display, dark mode not only looks better, but it can also help save some battery. While you are here, don't miss the next setting. Open refresh rate and switch it from 60Hz to 120Hz. You will notice the difference right away. Scrolling feels smoother, animation look better, and even normal browsing becomes much more fluid. Now let's make the lock screen look a bit more interesting. Most mid-range phones, including the Redmi Turbo 5, comes with a simple fingerprint animation, which looks fine, but it looks a bit boring. So why not make it look better? Simply choose one of these colorful animations. It's a small change, but every time you unlock your phone, the lock screen feels much more premium. Finally, let's talk about one of the coolest features of the Redmi Turbo 5, the rear ring light. Open the ring light settings and customize your effect according to your needs, such as notifications or while charging, which makes your phone look even more unique. And if you ask me, I would recommend using the third option. That way the ring light only works when the phone is placed face down. And I think this is the most useful and practical option. So these were the 10 settings that I recommend after setting up your Redmi Turbo 5. Trust me, these small changes can make a big difference in your daily use. By the way, how many of these settings have you already applied? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Mobile Funda for more Redmi Turbo 5 tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your Redmi Turbo 5.